Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hytale and you keep getting this problem, fail to connect to server with error exception when adding player to world, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So this problem occurs when your world data is corrupted, so you'll have to restore a backup of your old saves. So what you can do is you can open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here app data. Now you're going to go into roaming. You're going to find the folder called Hytale here. Here it is. Go into user data, saves, and then you'll have your world name here. So whatever your world's name is, you're going to open it, and then you'll have this backup folder. You're going to go into it, and then you'll have all of the backups here. So you're going to take the most recent backup. So just sort it by date and then take the most recent backup. And now what you're going to do is you're going to open it up, but do not extract it yet. You're going to go back and you're going to find the universe folder in your world. So just go into universe. I don't have it here, but you're going to go into universe and delete everything in that universe folder. And once you're done deleting everything from that universe folder, you're going to open up your backup file, and then you're going to go into your world, and then you're going to find the universe folder in your backup. And then what you're going to do is you're going to extract all of the backup files from your backup into your universe folder here. So just extract all of these files into here. And once that's done, now you can restart your Hytale. So just close it from here, and after that turn it on. And now when you try to load your world or connect to your world, you'll see that it will load correctly. You will not get that problem anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.